Hi, this is Pat, and I am doing my third version now with Twitchy, and this is my buddy, this is Shrek, so this is like Shrek the Third too. Um, anyway, what I wanted to talk about was a little bit of a follow-up on the upward evaluation that our company was doing, and ironically, it's been probably 3 years since I've talked to Twitchy, and they've changed what we've been doing. It somehow got turned around, I guess you could say, to where there was never a convenient time for the employees to evaluate their managers and supervisors. It was always the wrong time of year. It was too close to our mid-year evaluations, or it was too close to the fiscal year end, and they didn't want people finding out who was doing the evaluations. It was getting to the point it was a little easier to figure out who was saying what about their managers. So for a couple of years, they just all of a sudden kind of ceased to have good timing, shall we say. Well, now since then, in the last year, our company is still the same size, but in the office that we're in, instead of having about 350 people, they've moved about 250 people to a different location, and now we're down to roughly 100 people in our area. And so in that case, it makes it even harder to do any kind of an evaluation for your supervisors and such. So it has just plain ceased to exist. It's really kind of too bad because the managers really do still need to hear that, and it just no longer happens. As a closing statement, one thing to keep in mind is your managers aren't going to like upward feedback because they don't want to really hear what you have to say.